Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Online Business Academy. We are provide to online business, most demanding product and service, business startup market research, eBay dropshipping, eBay export, Fiverr, setting up a business goal, model and plan, setting up an affiliate marketing business, business online presence, Blogger and WordPress web design, creating a Google My Business account, creating a Facebook business page, Facebook Business Manager account, value-added content created for advertising, creating a YouTube channel, instant articles and Facebook Creator Studio, digital marketing, introduction to digital marketing, target audience, Facebook audience insights, social media marketing, Facebook Ads Manager, launching Facebook and Instagram ads, search engine marketing, Google Ads platform, Google YouTube ads, e-commerce store and Fiverr gig promoting, business and marketing development, Facebook Analytics and Google Analytics, growth hacking concept for marketing.